Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Fruity Things. In this video, I will show you boat with clay and telling about boat. Let's go to the video. A boat is a vehicle used to travel on water. It is smaller than a ship and can be lifted out of the water and carried on a ship. Some boats have sails, some are powered by rowing with oars, and some use motors. Those that use steam engines are steamboats. There are some boats that can go underwater. They are called submarines. A narrow boat is a boat designed to be used on narrow canals. It is sometimes called a barge. Historically, most boats have been constructed from wood. However, more recently built boats are often made of metals like steel and aluminum. Expensive boats may have parts made from fiberglass or composite materials, and some even have helicopter pads. Thanks for watching. Give a like if you like this video. Please subscribe this video if you find this video is useful. Thank you.